We generate UI today, but it's fine. It doesn't necessarily represent either the picture you had in your head or your Figma. And so we can today accept your brand guidelines, your component library, but we can't perfectly match your UI. And so we'll be bringing that online in Q1, maybe a little earlier. We'll see. Don't want to oversell our roadmap, but right. The ability to not just use Figma, but use any design tool, bring those images in, and then have that perfectly represented as the output from the UI will just dramatically accelerate it. We're excited to use that ourselves for some of our work. And then we definitely see an opportunity in, as Sid mentioned, scanning vulnerabilities. And so this ultimately becomes like the system of record for your code. We have a perfect representation of your code and all its dependencies. And so anything that sits between what the organization needs and what an engineer would otherwise do, which happens to be a lot of security for us, we're in a great position to build that ourselves or partner with somebody that's going to help us on that end.
Right. And another important item on the roadmap is, we've seen the struggle with the LLMs. The latest models that you use today are trained with a knowledge cutoff of October 2023. There have been a lot of packages since then where there's either been a vulnerability detected or they've just been deprecated. If you're building with LangGraph, for example, most of it didn't even exist in October 2023.